you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox. Do you want to see what is inside April's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so April's Glossybox just showed up. Now, normally this box is black. I have never seen their mailing box pink before, but that's kind of cool, I guess. This one says that I got Glossybox 2019 April version 1. So I got version number 1, and let's see what is inside here. I wonder if they did a cool little Easter themed box inside. We shall, come on, we shall see. Oh, it's definitely different. Ooh, I love this color. What? That is definitely different, and it's smaller. Wait, is it smaller? Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so this is their normal pink box. Let's compare these. It looks thinner. Maybe it's not. It is. Okay, so it's the same. I knew something looked different. It's the same size this way, but this way, it's not. So if I were to put them side by side this way, can you guys see the difference? So their box is smaller. So hence why they went to a smaller box, because they went to a smaller box. They went to a smaller box because they went to a smaller box. Did that make sense to you guys? This got smaller because this got smaller. Whichever. I really like, and it feels, see, this one is like a shiny, you're probably not even gonna be able to tell, but this one's like a nice shiny texture, and this one is not. But I love the color, and I'm glad that they went to this color. I mean, unless it's a little bit thinner or not as tall, whatever. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. 2 minutes of talking about the damn box. Okay, so there's a white ribbon. Wait, what? This spring, I'll continue to explore beauty. To me, beauty means blank and blank. The best thing about Glossybox is blank. If you guys follow me, you know I'm not fond of Glossybox anymore. In my makeup bag, you always find blank. And my best makeup tip is blank. The most beautiful personality traits you can find in a person is blank. And one of my greatest strengths is blank. The spring, I'll achieve what I want. I dream about blank. To get there, I need blank. And to be inspired by blank. I feel strong when blank. The spring, I'll focus on myself. I'll treat myself to everyday luxury such as blank. Welcome spring, I'm ready for you. Stay glossy. It's a little weird, like, to put in the lid of your box, but okay, let's keep on moving on. Still talking about the box. Green tissue paper, oh my gosh, this is like a teal green. I'm loving this color, you guys. So, and I always love the box more than the contents inside the box. So already I'm loving the box, this box. That is what it looks like inside. And kind of looks like they went back to their little sample sizes, but that's glossy for you. And I'll always be honest with you guys, so. All right, inside their little brochure is everything about the items, and I need to kind of recheck because I was saying that my Beauteque monthly was $22, and then when I went back to their site just to double check, it actually went to $24. So since I've been getting some of these boxes for almost a year now, I need to make sure that they're still the same pricing. But Glossybox was, if it's not, I'll correct it, but was $21 plus free shipping, and you get 5 sample to full size products, if you wanted to know. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull out these guys. We have John Master Organics conditioner and shampoo for normal hair with lavender and rosemary and with citrus and neroli, something or other. But, here we go. There's those two right there. John Master's Organics for normal hair with citrus and neroli conditioner. No silicone, please. John Master Organic Citrus and Neroli Conditioner will add some extra needed boost and boost to your wash and morning routine, making hair easy to detangle. This combination with the shampoo will leave your hair luxuriously nourished. And then the shampoo is the lavender and rosemary. Rosemary oil is a hair growth must. Can you still see? Kind of blinding you guys. Which is why you're not surprised to see its key ingredient in John Master's Organic Lavender and Rosemary Shampoo. With a natural shine and free of sulfates, your hair will reach goals this spring with healthy start. So you get little sample sizes, and these are actually smaller than the normal samples. Even in the Target box, we get like 3 ounce or 3.5 ounce. Both of these little guys are 2 ounces. 2 ounces. And the full size is $19 each. Next is Formulated Skin Hydrator. Okay, there's these 2 little samples right here. And I'm gonna probably butcher that name. Someone I'm sure is gonna correct me. Kiehl's, I don't know. Full size is 50 milliliter. Featured size is 5 milliliter. Full size, which would be $38, which that's not these. Have instant glowing skin now and later with this pomegranate infused hydrator of Kiehl's. As one of the first brands to proudly list their ingredients on their products before the government mandated it in 1924, you can be confident in assuring your glow is naturally stunning and in the future. So I guess that's kind of cool that they give you at least 2 little samples instead of just one of these little guys, but receive 3 complimentary samples with your retail purchase at Kiehl's.com. So what else do we got in here, you guys? We have an overnight peel, okay. Derma E Essentials Overnight Peel Alpha Hydroxy Acid Exfoliant Facial. How to use: apply generously to cleanse face before bed, leave on overnight, and rinse thoroughly in the morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. This guy is, again, not the full size. The full size is 7 milliliters, while this is 2 milliliter. Or this is 7 milliliters of full size. This is 2 ounce. Got it. Full size value is $18.99. This is not the full size, of course, because we got Glossybox. Next we have a Plumper Lip Balm. This says that it's a full size for $14. And it says a lip balm that plumps, moisturizes, and gives a glossy look all day. There's the actual packaging. Yes, please. BohoBabe Lip Plumper does it all in sugarcane, eco-friendly tube, and 100% all natural ingredients. So there's that. And the last item we have in here, you guys, is by Juice Beauty Organics. This is a cream shadow stick. They call this one a full size, valued at $22. And there's that right there. So this will probably go in a future giveaway just because I don't use shadow sticks like this. I'd rather just grab a palette and get my whole look done in one palette and call it a day. So I'll go ahead and stick this. I know Juice Beauty is a good brand, so I'll stick this in a future giveaway. And that's everything. That is everything. You have a lip plumper, you have this product, you have these 2 little samples here, this little sample here, and these little samples here. What do you guys think? Do you think this is worth it? I always tell you my honest opinion. Some people can handle it, some people can't. Some people just can't handle the truth. I don't know. But I don't think Glossybox is worth it. I like their boxes, but if they spent less money in these really nice boxes, maybe they could put better products inside. I'm not quite sure. When I had to contact them about their advent calendar, they told me a little something like the grass always seems to be greener on the other side, and their customer service was extremely horrible to me. So at that moment, I told myself, and I told you guys, I will never give them another dollar of mine. Now, I have a few months left because I did prepay for an entire year, which I learned the hard way in going big and going, I always say go big or go home. That's why I did these, but I wish I didn't, because all these little samples, I'm getting an overabundance of sample size products. That's why I'm trying to find so many different ones to bring to you guys. And I'm trying to find ones that are more on the full size so you get more bang for your buck. I'm not gonna be like, this is an amazing box, go get it. And then you just get all these little sample size and you're like, what in the hell is she talking about? Why did she tell me to go get this? Me personally, if I would have known this is how we were gonna get all the time, I never would have done a whole year, but I gotta learn from my mistakes and learn from my life choices. And I'm gonna have 12 awesome boxes to store stuff in. That I will have. I did get my amazing, that Arizona perfume from this box. That I'm so glad, because that is my all-time favorite perfume now. So I'm glad I got that, but everything else was just meh. So let me know what you guys think. Am I wrong to think what I think? Because I am allowed to have my own opinion, and this is just my opinion. If you like it and you want to get it, go get it. But I'm always going to be honest with you guys, because I would hate for you to spend your money on something when it's not good. So I'm not going to be like, this is amazing, you guys go get it, go get it. And then it's really sample sizes. What is she talking about? So that's all I have to say about Glossybox. I cannot remember right now what month I started with them. So I'm sure I probably have very few boxes left. Once I get to my 12th box, Glossybox will be a forever memory on my channel, because I will never subscribe to them again. But again, that's just my opinion. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and then you won't miss a future video or giveaway that I'll have on my channel. Until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.